Today I will guide you how to see unlisted videos on YouTube. To view the unlisted videos on YouTube, you need to open the YouTube application first. Make sure you have logged in on your YouTube application. Then after that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you need to go to your library. For now, let's tap on your channel at the top of the screen. Here you can view that I don't have any videos uploaded yet. That's because I have only private and unlisted videos. And how can I actually see them is you need to come back from here and scroll down. Here's the option of your videos. Tap on your videos. So here you can see all the list of your private, unlisted as well as the draft videos. You can see I have the unlisted video on the YouTube which has a chain like icon, and tap on the three dots, and here you can see the option of edit. Let's tap on edit. On the visibility you can see unlisted. Let's tap on it, and here under unlisted it has shown that anyone with the link can view. This means whoever has the link of this unlisted video can easily watch or see this video that you have kept as unlisted on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful and you learned about how to see unlisted videos on YouTube. If you learned about it, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment if you have any queries. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.